Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pair your Xfinity remote using just your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, at the bottom menu, tap on Services, then tap on TV or Devices, then select Remote and Device or Remote Setup. This is where you can manage and pair your remotes. Pick up your Xfinity remote, press and hold the setting button on top of the remote until the LED light at the top changes to green. This puts your remote in pairing mode. Back in the app, tap Pair Remote or Add Remote. The app will search for your remote. When it finds it, tap Pair on the screen. The remote LED should blink, confirming it's connected. Once paired, try using the remote to change channels or adjust the volume. If it works, you are all set. And that's it. You have just paired your Xfinity remote using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.